Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ekika Singh, Director and Consultant IVF Consultant, Sharda Narayan Hospital, Mau. I want to talk to all of you about very prevailing issue in our country and which is really rising high day by day, and that is infertility. To tell you very frankly, nearly 10 to 14% of Indian population is suffering from one or the other kind of fertility issue, and it is more in urban areas than in rural areas. So, what is infertility? Or when we say that a couple is having an issue, problem, that is, if a married couple or if a couple staying together for 1 year and cohabitating still not able to conceive is one which is called infertile according to WHO, and they should seek treatment or advice by any infertility specialist about their problems of not conceiving. Now, what are the things which we have to look for if you have any fertility issues? Well, it can be male factors, female factors, both of them, and in some cases it can be unexplained, meaning neither the male have any problem nor female has any problem, but still after constant efforts they are not able to conceive. So these are the couples who should definitely take an advice from any fertility specialist. Female factors are the most important and the first foremost one as far as infertility issues are concerned in a couple, which can range from hormonal imbalance and ovulation disorders to tubal blockade to endocrine problem to uterine problems. These are the things which any of the female can have, and it should be looked into. Beside that, there are a lot of diseases like endometriosis, poor ovarian reserve, which affect your fertility potential. What happens to the males? Well, initially the husband semen analysis count was taken normal as 60 million. That was a long time ago. Now, because of advancement and because of lot of pollutions, lot of alteration, adulterations, the semen analysis count by WHO, the best parameter has also decreased. Now it is said any male with 20 million sperm count and 50% motility should be able to conceive without taking any fertility treatment. So, I want to say, as we are advancing in so many things, we are getting a positive effects of technology and we are getting a negative effect from ruining our environment and having a stressful life, which is leading to an increased number of infertile couples. So once, if the marriage is more than 1 year, or if the female age is more than 35 years and she has not conceived, they should definitely go and consult any fertility specialist. Now, the fertility treatments have a range, basket full of treatment protocols, which is minimal, starting ovulation inducing drugs to IUI, that is intrauterine insemination, to IVF, which is in vitro fertilization, to ICSI, which is intracytoplasmic sperm injection, and then variety of techniques to improve the implantation like laser assisted hatching and blastocyst culture and transferring it in a blast form. So in general, I want to inform everyone, if because of some reason a couple is not able to conceive, they should not be demoralized. There are ways, there are procedures, there are protocols by which things can be worked out for them, their factors can be treated, and they can conceive. Thank you very much.